Hello everyone! Welcome to episode 2 of Campfire Cooking, hosted by the Greater Sudbury Public Library for the GSPL Cooking Club. We'll be cooking up a delicious meal for 2 or more, so cozy up around the fire and settle in for some quality time together. Tonight's menu will feature campfire pizza as the main course, with a side of mixed vegetables and stuffed baked apples for dessert. Let's get started by going over the tools and ingredients you'll need. Feel free to substitute my list for your favorite pizza toppings and choice of side vegetables, or up the wow factor of your baked apples by adding oats or chocolate chips to the mix. Otherwise, here's what you'll need. Durable gloves, a fire-safe pot, a paring knife, a spoon, 1 tomato sliced, 1 sprig of basil, 1 head of garlic, 1 onion chopped, 1 zucchini chopped, 1 bell pepper chopped, 6 to 8 mushrooms chopped, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, 1/4 can of pizza sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 apples, 1 unit of pizza dough, 1 sheet of parchment paper, 4 sheets of aluminum foil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a can opener, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To begin, let's prep our veggie packets. Lay a piece of tinfoil down and fill it with your choice of vegetables. Drizzle the vegetables with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Fold the sides in to enclose your vegetables in a package of foil. Wrap your packet in a second layer of foil. Repeat for each dinner guest. Next, we'll get our apples ready. Make an angled cut around the stem of the apple, creating a cone-shaped lid you can remove and set aside. Carve out the seeds and apple core, being careful not to make any holes in the bottom of your apple. Repeat with 1 apple per dinner guest. Fill the apples with 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Put the top of your apple back on. Wrap each apple in 2 layers of tin foil. Finally, we'll prep our pizza dough for cooking. Line the bottom of your Dutch oven or deep pot with parchment paper. Make sure you're using a fire-safe pot for this recipe. One made of cast iron, aluminum, or stainless steel is best. Take your ball of pizza dough and knead it into your desired shape on the bottom of your pot. Put the lid on your pot. After your fire has burned down a bit, create a bed of coals in the center. Add your pizza pot directly onto the coals, or create some space between your pot and the coals using a cooking grate. If you have a cast iron oven like mine, you can add hot coals on top of the lid using a metal shovel or tongs. This will cook your pizza more evenly. At the same time, you can place your veggie packs and wrapped apples right next to the bed of hot coals. Let your pizza dough cook for about 5 minutes. When 5 minutes have passed, put your fire-safe gloves on and move your pizza pot away from the fire. Now, we'll add toppings like sauce, cheese, tomato, basil, and of course, more cheese. But please add whatever toppings you prefer. Let everything cook for about 30 minutes total, being sure to flip veggies and apples and move wrapped items to areas that give off consistent heat. When 30 minutes is up, you can check to see if things look cooked. If all is well, move your wrapped items and pizza pot to an area to cool down a bit. There's nothing left to do but unwrap, kick back, and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in to our special cooking club event. I hope you enjoy cooking these recipes with your loved ones this winter and beyond. Be sure to check out the GSPL Cooking Club on Facebook and our YouTube channel for more cooking tips, events, resources, and fun.